Hey, my little raggedies, what is up? How are y'all doing? How are y'all feeling? Happy holidays, y'all. We have made it to Christmas and December just started. I don't know what the hell is going on. Yeah, December is over and we just had Thanksgiving. I'm still full. I am Raina Swan, aka your new book bestie. Okay, we do horror, thriller, family drama. We sprinkle in a little urban fiction. We trying to get into fantasy over here. We don't do romantasy, and we do read diversely, but we're trying to read more Black. Okay, so if that's your vibe, lock in, buckle up, enjoy the ride. Okay, so today it's going to be real quick, okay? I'm just going to do a 10-minute reading sprint. And the reason why I say 10 is because I'm a mom of 3 and a husband and a dog and big girl responsibilities, kind of. So you guys know, if I'm at home trying to read, there is disruptions, disaster, and fatalities happening, okay? Last time I tried to read with y'all, it lasted 7 minutes. I kid you not. I looked on the clock. It was crazy, okay? So today, you know what I said? I said, let's go to Safeway. Let's go get some groceries. But bring that Kindle because we're going to read in the car. You just gotta get in your alone time when you can. For all my mommies, okay? Take a little trip to the store. Sit in the car a little extra 10-15 minutes. Who would know? Who would know? Nobody would know. Okay, so we're gonna read for 10-15 minutes. Okay? We're just gonna see where we can get in this 10-15 minute sprint. I am still reading I Kill Killers. I've been also reading other things, which is why it's taking me a bit of a time. I just really need to focus on one book at a time. But the way this ADHD is set up, and the rule reader in me just be wanting to just read them all at once, so I can just feel like I'm getting through all my TBR stacks. But I don't know, y'all. Okay, so I Kill Killers. Quick summary, okay? You have a young lady who's a genius pianist who kills killers. Boom. There we go. That's it. And the FBI is on her ass. They trying to figure out, but they don't know it's her. They trying to figure out, like, who is killing these people. And they don't know that the killers that she killing, that they're killers. They just notice it's people, coming up dead. So a time is being had, and I'm so glad this is a series. And I really wanted to do like my top 10 before the end type situation, but I was like, I need to wait till I finish this book because I feel like this is going to end up on the list. So enough talking. Let's get into some reading. So relaxing, right, guys? Okay, so I just reached chapter 15, and y'all, I'm really loving how the author is so descriptive in his writing, and it's not overly weighed down by like metaphors and similes and things, but it's just enough to make you feel the weight of what's going on. I love it. Okay, so let's see. It's saying, oh, 24 minutes left in this chapter. I'm not gonna hold y'all. It's Christmas Eve and it's getting cold out here and I want to go home. So I hope you guys are enjoying yourselves, drinking your hot chocolate, wrapping your gifts, loving on your babies and your puppies and your menses and your girlfriends and your wives. I hope you guys are doing well. And yeah, I won't see you tomorrow because it's Christmas, but I am releasing a video tomorrow. Just a little something. And I will be back on Thursday. Thank you to everyone who voted in our little community section. I asked you guys, should I stop doing Bookmas tomorrow? Let tomorrow, the 25th, be the last day that I post and up until next week. And a lot of you was like, no, keep going. A few of you was like, it's okay to, stop tomorrow. But the overall consensus was, y'all was like, keep going. So if you still want to vote and be a part of that, just go to the little community tab at the top where, and then scroll down. It's like 2 posts down and you'll see the poll. So yeah, but so far people was like, yeah, keep going to the 31st. So we'll see. All right, you guys, happy holidays.